Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's RVH back at you with another Bosch tool unboxing. This time we got a little 7.5 amp 4.5 inch angle grinder, and let's see what it's got to say for itself on the box here. It's got lock-on switch for continuous operation. It's got directed airflow. It's got removable brush cover, and it's got a spindle lock. Over here, can't see what's on the top line, but as we can tell, it says it's got a wheel guard, a flange kit, a spanner wrench, and an abrasive wheel is what it comes with. So let's flip her around and see what we get in the box. Alright, we get some paperwork and paperwork on the spanner wrench. That's good. And we get a warranty card. And we get safety and instruction manual. And I'm assuming various different languages. That's why it's so thick. Yep. And somewhere through here, about the midway, are the assembly instructions. You can pause that if you want to take a look at it. And there we go. That's for that. So in the box, we're going to find that we have a handle. Not sure how important a big handle is going to be on a 4.5 inch grinder. Then we will find our guard. We will find our cutting disc. Pretty nice heavy duty disc. Okay. Keep it all on the thing here. And, oh, what's back here? And then we will find our multi-tool. And on the end of the multi-tool here, if you'll notice, is actually an Allen key. I know that in the, for the spanner wrench or whatever directions, it shows that it looks like it's going to come with an external Allen key, but it does not. So, and then of course, last but not least, and we have a security tag, so you can't run out the door to the store with it. And typical of most Bosch power tools, that cord appears to be probably about 8 feet long. And then the tool itself, it feels it's heavy. Of course, it's Bosch, so it's, you know, the plastics and all, extremely good quality. This is our push button to lock the spanner so we can install our disc and such. And the on and off button, you push it forward, turn it on, then push the forward button down, and that keeps you locked in and on. And then to shut the machine off, just give the button a tap and it'll go back to rest. So let's move the box out of the way, and let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put this joker together. We'll remove the disc holder, move the handle out the way, and lift that off. And it's supposed to align the see the ridges through here and then the ridges on this. Supposed to just simply be able to line those up and push it down. Trying to keep it in frame in the camera and kind of do it. It's a booger. It really wants to fight. So let me take our thing here and make sure I got that screw loose enough. Yeah. I know every time I try to make these videos kind of quick, because it seems like something wants to be a fight. And we are in. There we go. Just had to loosen the screw up some, so we take our Allen key located on our Spaniard wrench and yeah, wrench her down. And that's probably plenty tight enough. I have a bad habit of overdoing things. So you'll notice on the adapter here, you have a square indentions. They're going to line up down to there. Then we will drop our disc in. And then we will take our Spaniard, there we go. And we'll push our red button to lock it in. And then we'll sometimes things are cumbersome, yo, trying to Alright, disc wheel is on tight. Motor feels good. And install the handle. Simply we got our hole here. And screw that in. I know I need one of those things that say 3 days later. There we go. And there we go. Like I said, I'm not sure where you're going to really need this handle. So, let's make sure the tool is off. We'll reach down here and plug it in. And there we go. And like I said, we'll do the continuous operation mode. Button forward, then click it. Then just tap the button back and cut it off. That's it, guys. That's unboxing and assembly of the Bosch GWS8-45 4.5-inch angle grinder. Alright guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one.